Edwin Austen Abbey was a distinguished American artist, illustrator, and moralist known for his dramatic and detailed work, particularly in historical and Shakespearean themes. His career spanned the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a period during which it made significant contribution to both American and European art scenes. Abbesworth was born in Pennsylvania, where he showed an early interest in art. He began his formal art education at the Pennsylvania Academy of Fine Arts at the age of 14. His talent quickly became evident, and by the age of 19 he had begun working as an illustrator for Harper's Weekly, a permanent magazine of the time. This early work helped him develop a keen sense of detail and narrative skills that would define his later works. Abbe's illustrations for Harper's Weekly and other publications often feature scenes from literature, particularly the works of William Shakespeare and Robert Herrick. His ability to capture the essence of a story in a single image earned him widespread acclaim. One of his notable early projects was illustrating an edition of Herrick's poems, which showcased his skill in rendering intricate costumes and settings from the 17th century. In 78, Abbey traveled to England, where he was deeply influenced by the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood and the works of painters such as Sir Lawrence Alma Tadma and Frederick Longton. The move to England marked a turning point in his career. He decided to settle in London, where he continued to produce illustration for Harper's and other magazines, while also focusing more on oil paintings. Abbe's transition from illustration to painting was marked by a series of ambitious work that draw in historical and literary themes. One of his most significant projects was a series of paintings based on the Holy Grail legends, which he undertook for the Boston Public Library. These murals, completed between 1890 and 1901, are considered some of his finest work and exemplify his mastery of composition and narrative. In addition to his morals of the Boston Public Library, Abbes was commissioned to create morals for the Pennsylvania State Capitol in Harrisburg. This work further cemented his reputation as a leading moralist of his time. Abbes' morals are characterized by their grand scale, intricate detail, and historical accuracy, reflecting his thorough research and dedication to his craft. Abbe's influence extended beyond his artistic achievements. He was an active member of the artistic community, helping to bridge the gap between American and European art. He was elected to the Royal Academy of Arts in London and become a member of the National Academy of Design in the United States. His connection with other artists and his involvement in various art organizations helped foster a greater appreciation for American art in Europe and vice versa. Throughout his career, Abbes remained dedicated to his artistic vision, often working under challenging conditions to complete his large scale projects. His commitment to historical accuracy and his ability to tell a story through his art made him a beloved and respected figure in the art world. Edwin Austin Abbey died in London on 1st August 1911, leaving behind a legacy of remarkable illustrations, paintings, and murals. His work continued